Alright, so we're coming up on the completion of your system replacement. This is a 4-ton inverter ion heat pump. So as we can tell, it's running right now. We installed a brand new disconnect with a 50 amp breaker. We got our surge protector with all electronics that have expensive circuit boards. We always recommend and most of the time install surge protectors because it can save you quite a bit of money and time. Replace the line set. We've got UV rated armor flex. Replace the whip. Replace the pad.